Hey guys, this is a short video on update about OOPS in Python and Spark machine learning course that we are trying to build. There are two aspects to what we are trying to do. One is Spark only aspect and the other is Python object-oriented programming aspect. In the Spark only aspect, we want to write Spark application and understand RDT. We have to develop and run Spark jobs, which would be a Python code or a Scala code, and we want to implement it and see the output. We might need to set up a large data set and use Amazon's Elastic MapReduce service, and we might learn about Spark technologies like Spark SQL and Spark streaming. If we were to run a regression in Spark, we would have to do that using Spark data frames. One of the examples that I have took is from this website, Towards Data Science. The other part that is very interesting is back and forth conversion into Spark and Python. If we run any Python library onto the cluster, then it slows down everything because it does not run on the Java virtual machine. So though we have a lot of machine learning libraries, we are still dependent on a lot of stuff in the Spark world. Whether a Python code is faster or a Scala code is faster, there is no right answer to that, but one thing is for sure, that if we were to run something using Python compiler and not Scala JVM, then Python becomes slower. The higher order function and decorators that we would be using are from Python, and so are the other aspects. I'm saving this file, have a look at it and let me know how it looks like.